Hello lovely people, today is a very, very exciting day. I'm getting to Brompton. Boop. Thanks for finding me. Nice whip. Nice whip.
Thank you very much.
Is mine going to be like that?
Yeah.
So excited.
It's a bit dead.
Nice. I've just arrived at Brompton. I managed to walk a mile past it and miss a massive sign this big. So don't know how I've done that. But anyway, let's go see what's going on. Thank you.
Brompton started in 1975.
Yes.
So it's coming up to 45 years old.
Wow.
So Andrew Ritchie, the guy that designed it, it's called Brompton because he was living in West Kensington at Elscourt at the time and working opposite Brompton Oratory, and looking to name for his bike. Looked out, saw the Brompton Oratory, thought, well, Brompton's quite a good name for it. So there's a timeline here, kind of from the first Brompton, which the first approach to the design, which is this one up here.
Yeah.
He wanted to create a...
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Looks like a lightning bolt. Amazing.
And it runs through basically up until the
Present day.
this year they turn over about 500,000 bikes. So
Wow. That's a lot of bikes. And they're all handmade here, aren't they?
all handmade here, yeah. So
Probably one of the only kind of mass market bikes that are still manufactured here, would you
yeah,
say?
pretty much. They're the biggest manufacturer of bikes in the UK.
What's that?
This is the Brompton X Chapter 3, our collaboration with Chapter 3. This is our kind of lightest, fastest Brompton that we've ever made.
And
it's yours.
more importantly, this is my one.
It's yours.
Look at the Tamwell tyres.
Right.
Oh my goodness. Oh, beautiful. Right, so, yeah, definitely. I have used a Brompton ages ago, but I can't actually remember how to do it. So if you could give us a quick demo.
Absolutely. It's one of those things that at first it looks a little bit complicated, but as soon as you've got it, and it's really, really simple. So let me put it into its folded state, first of all. I can give you a quick demo.
Okay.
So this is it in fully folded position.
This is me on the bus with my bike.
So the best place to start is always by kind of knocking out the stem and handlebars.
Yeah.
Pop that out simply like that. It just helps to just give it a little knock with your hand and it kind of pops straight up and out.
Okay.
Then the seat post is like really like the pin which kind of holds all of the bike together. So you'll see now when I lift it up it kind of doesn't unfold.
Yeah.
But then if I take the seat post up, at this point, it's kind of all ready to unfold itself.
Got you.
So, now you know that you're in prime position to kind of unfold. And really it's quite simple, it's almost like a bit of a steering motion with the front and the back kind of just flicks out. So
Yeah.
It's kind of go like that. And it comes out. So it's like literally like this.
Whoa! You've done that before.
Really to kind of unfold it is just as simple. So this is kind of putting it into what we call the kind of parked position, which you can kind of just leave in, and it's really easy to just sort of leave it, walk off, go and grab a coffee, whatever you need to do.
Yeah.
Then when you want to go back riding, you just kind of flick it back out and away you go. So really it's this little catch here kind of releases the back.
Yeah.
As you'll see there, so it's solid until you release it. And then you just flick it up underneath. And then undo this clamp here. And then just pop that, and you see the little hook there? On the front fork. Just need to make sure the pedal's back here just to give the wheel kind of clearance.
Yes.
As it comes in, and then you just pop it up a little bit just to give yourself enough room just to pop that down, and it hooks on.
Lovely. And then back with the handlebars and the seat, and you...
Handlebars, this kind of sort of does itself. So it does itself, didn't do it itself then. And then the seat post again, that's kind of like the pin, which is the final thing you do, and it's all pinned in place, and then off you go.
Very amazingly demonstrated, thank you. I've always wanted a Brompton. So we're just going to have a little look around the factory.
Okay. Do a complete overview of the factory.
Yeah.
Starting from.
I know, I've just been waved at by some welder.
From the start of the bike through to the end of the bike, and the paintworks is over there in the corner.
Amazing.
Different parts of the frame are brazed together. The brazing is the process of joining two steel parts but with a brass glue.
Yeah.
So it's done at 900 degrees, heated to 900 degrees, and the brass will melt and become liquid, and it will join up. You have to check these because they're sometimes a bit hot. But it'll literally be the joining glue between two parts.
2 points.
2 points.
Nice.
So our brazers, they train for 18 months before they can contribute to kind of putting a finished part on the bike. And as Nick said, they all have an individual stamp which is traceable back to them. Yes, we can see stuff. This is where we do testing. So we've got this bike, or this wheel, just running on a dyno. I think they do like 20,000 kilometres. Well, they just keep testing it until something fails, whether that be a tyre or a spoke or whatever. Just running on there.
Wow.
Over there we've got frame parts being just kind of continuously bent over and over and over again. I can't actually see where the frame part is on that one. I don't think we fixed it. And yeah, we just run things, test them to the max. We do a lot with kind of cable articulation.
How long do you reckon it'd take you to do 20,000 kilometres, Nick?
Well, I'm trying to do 2,000 in a year.
2 years?
Yeah, 2 years.
I think about the same for me.
Yeah. With a Brompton, as you can imagine, every time you fold it, the cables kind of move.
Yeah.
Because they need to give it like space. So we do a lot with like cable articulation and just turning of the front forks, turning of the stem.
Yeah.
Because we know it needs to kind of go through that process a lot and it needs to survive. We build our product to be kind of thrown around, bashed around, thrown in kind of like luggage racks on trains or in the boots of cars or slotted on the underground carriages, and we know it gets knocked around, and that's why we kind of build it like we do.
Yeah.
And we test it to the
bomb-proof.
Exactly, yeah, where it will last.
Have you exploded one yet?
A lifetime. Not me personally, no. I've tried with a few sticks of dynamite, but not enough.
Thanks for showing us round.
My pleasure.
And thanks so much for the new bike. Also thanks to Nick for doing tour guide stuff also.
My cuff tour guide.
Right, I'm gonna try out the bike and ride to the tube station now.
Yeah, well, enjoy.
Thank you. So I've just picked up the new Brompton. Oh my god. I'm so in love with this bike. I'm so in love. Anyway, we're gonna actually give it a go. I'm gonna ride to the station and journey back home. So here we go.